Sa video na to, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano kunin ang first 5 terms. Okay, next, let's have another example. Number 5. Number 5 rule, a sub n equals n squared minus 5. Okay, para makuha ang first term, again, substitute natin ang 1. So, a sub 1 equals n squared minus 5. So, again, papalitan natin yung n ng 1. So, it becomes 1 squared minus 5. So, ang uunahin natin is yung may exponent. So, 1 squared is equal to 1. Then, a sub 1 equals 1 minus 5. 1 minus 5 equals negative 4. So, ang a sub 1 natin, ang first term natin ay negative 4. Okay. To find the second term or a sub 2, isa-substitute natin yung 2 doon sa n. So, it becomes a sub 2 equals n squared minus 5. Okay. Palitan natin yung n ng 2. So, it becomes a sub n or a sub 2 equals 2 squared minus 5. So, simplify. 2 squared means 2 times 2. We have 4. So, 4 minus 5 equals negative 1. Therefore, ang a sub 2 natin equals negative 1. And negative 1 is the second term. Okay, next, to find the third term or a sub 3, so isa-substitute natin ang 3 doon sa n. Okay? So, a sub 3 equals n squared minus 5. Then, palitan natin yung n ng 3. So, a sub 3 equals 3 squared minus 5. So, simplify 3 squared. So, 3 times 3 is 9. So, a sub 3 equals 9 minus 5. 9 minus 5 is 4. So, therefore, we have a sub 3 equals 4. And that is our third term. The third term is 4. Okay, next, to find the fourth term, we substitute 4. So, we have now a sub 4 equals n squared minus 5. So, we substitute 4. So, a sub 4 equals 4 squared minus 5. And then, simplify. 4 squared is, okay, 4 times 4 is 16. Therefore, we have 16 minus 5. So, 16 minus 5 equals 11. So, again, a sub 4 equals 11. And that is our fourth term. Okay, next, to find the fifth term or a sub 5, we substitute 5. So, a sub 5 equals n squared minus 5. So, papalitan natin yung n ng 5. So, it becomes a sub 5 equals 5 squared minus 5. Simplify natin. So, 5 squared means 5 times 5. So, 5 times 5 is 25 minus 5. And then, 25 minus 5 is 20. And a sub 5 is 20 or the fifth term is 20. Kaya ang first 5 terms ng given rule or equation natin, which is a sub n equals n squared minus 5, ay negative 4, negative 1, 4, 11, 20.